also has his little left pelvis, his little left sacrum is locked up. So we're gonna get into the sacrum and move this a little bit. And he might fuss and he might cry a little bit. And that's okay. He's not getting hurt in any way. So we're going to bring the table up, and then when we bring it up, you're just going to keep holding it right there. And I'm going to adjust it. Yep, right there. You're okay. Good job. Now we're going to come over here to this pillow. He's going to lay over here with his head up where I am. Hi, handsome man.
I'm just going to stand over you, Mom.
Okay.
Peekaboo. That's what your shirt says. How do you like having a little brother? I guess that answered that question.
Get down, Paisley.
Baby Dean's first adjustment, he was born June 2nd, right?
And we're just using fingertips here. Actually, middle fingers. And it feels like he has
Paisley.
a little bit of a left atlas that's out. So we're just going to hold that. His movements are going to aid in the adjustment. Right, handsome man?
He is exceptionally handsome.
We'll say we're glad he has your looks. Okay. You're almost done. You can go to mommy in a second. Want to look around? How about the bear up there? You see the bear? And that's it. That's as simple as that. He had a actually all left-sided things. Left sacrum, left atlas, and a little T8.
And that's that.
And that's that. Good start. Good start to a new life. That has better spring to it already. Right? You'll be able to run.